Hello and welcome to Marble.com University. I'm Chris and I'll be your host for this video. Now this video will explain all you need to know for your upcoming templating appointment. Now typically the appointment is set up after a client has paid a visit to one of our yards. By now they should have an idea of which material will be used for their project. Now let's go over all the steps you need to fulfill to prepare our template technician. First and foremost, all cabinets must be installed, in place, and leveled. Now please remember, when scheduling a templating appointment, the existing countertops must be removed. Our company can remove your old countertop for you, but please remember to let us know ahead of time. Also keep in mind, it is important to remember that Marble.com does not perform any plumbing, electrical, or carpentry work. The next important focus should be your sinks. Any sink that needs to be installed along with your countertop must be present at the time of templating. And depending on the model, our technician might take it back to the shop. This applies to undermount, drop-in, and vessel sinks. Another important disclaimer to mention is the handling of heavy farm sinks, the occasion where a homeowner must prepare a sink installation inside of the cabinet before our technician arrives. Please refer to the sink manufacturer specifications for further details on the matter. Farm sinks are required to be installed 1/8 of an inch lower than the level of the cabinets. As for the appliances, it is highly recommended to keep the items at the job site upon arrival. This will include your range of cooktop, your stove, your dishwasher, and your faucets. A frequently asked question is, can I just give you a specification of what I'm getting? The short answer is the appliances must be on site. While there are cases when a specification might be sufficient, we like to keep things on the safe side and have everything inspected by our templating technician to avoid complications. Lastly, Marble.com requires a 50% deposit of the total estimate at the time of templating. Certified checks, money orders, or personal checks are all acceptable forms of payment. And that's it for this episode of Marble.com University. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, don't forget to check out our virtual rooms on Marble.com. Exclusive inspirational and design tools to help you find the right colors and materials for your project.